Hello, good morning. I am Aarati from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Here we will study the control structure statements. Break and continue statement. The break statement terminates the execution of the nearest enclosing do, for, switch, or while statement in which it appears the control passes to the statement that follows the terminated statement. Second, the break statement can also be used to jump out the loop. This example jumps out for the for loop when I is equal to 4. Here we will use the break statement to break our code. So here we have to print 1, 2, 3 numbers. So we can give here the condition if I is equal to 4, then the condition is break and printf in which we have to print I. Here I is equal to 0 and increment of I plus plus and I is less than equal to 10. So here I is equal to 4 equal to 4. We use here the break statement and we can print there only three elements, that is 1, 2 or 3. Here we can here is another program. When user enter the negative number, the loop will break here. So he for addition here we use the break loop when the user enter the negative number. Here the continue statement is keep the current iterations of the loop and the continues with the next iteration. The syntax of the continue is continue and semicolon. The continue statement is almost always used with the if-else statement. The continue statement breaks the one iteration if a specified condition occurs and the continues with the next iteration in the loop. The continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. Its syntax is continue. The continue statement is almost always used with the if else statement. How the continue statement works: while test expressions, if the test expression, the code continues. Here we can use in a while loop, in a do while, and in a for loop, we can use the continue statement. You can see in our PPT. Continue statement skips the correct iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. Here the break statement and continue statement, the difference between the both statement. The break in a loop construct, the break statement allows for an immediate exit from the loop construct. And in the continue statement does not provide an exit from the loop construct. The break statement can be used with the switch statement and within for do while and while loops. This means the break statement can occur in a both loops and the switches. The continue statement cannot be used with the switch statement, but it can be used within for do and while loops. This means the continue statement can only occurs in the loops, not switches. Upon encountering the break statement, control immediately exit from the loop construct. Upon the encountering the continue statement, the control automatically returns to the start of the loop statement. The function in a break statement causes a loop or switch to re-terminate the case of the moment of its execution. This means the loop or switch will end abruptly upon the encountering the break, and the continue statement does not cause the loop termination but leads it into its next iteration. This means a loop will execute all its iteration even if it encounters a continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the statements that appear after the continue in the loop. It can be donated as a break and it can be donated as a continue. The go to statement is the jump statement, which sometimes also referred to as an unconditional jump statement. The go to statement can be used to jump from anywhere to anywhere within the function. Disadvantage of go to statement: the use of go to statement is highly discouraged as it makes the program very logical complex. Here we use of go to makes the task of the analyzing verifying the correctness of the programs very difficult. It is use of go to statement can simply avoided by using break and continue statement. Thank you.